start over in the PPF bay where we have this 2014 Mustang. This came in for a full 10 mil wrap. So all the painted surfaces are covered with our paint protection film, so this customer doesn't have to worry about scratches, rocks, anything like that damaging the paint while he drives it down the road. Then beside it is this Rubicon Jeep. This came in for custom kit, so with all the stickers and everything on it, he wanted to do paint protection film, but when you get into that, you have to start removing stickers, and that can get pretty pricey as well. So we did a custom kit where we did a little partial on the hood, the fender flares, up around here where it gets beat up real bad when you're driving, and the rockers and the fender flares, of course. And then we're gonna buckle that up with an 8-year premium ceramic coating once Aaron's done in the PPF bay. Then behind the Jeep is this Corvette that got a full paint protection film wrap. Caleb ceramic coated the wheels, and he's getting ready to ceramic coat all the paint and plastics and glass, and that'll be ready to go back to the customer end of this week. Then over in the ceramic bay, our good friend Larry brought us his Equinox in. This is getting the works. He got the front end paint protection film, so the whole front end, front bumper, both fenders, hood, both mirrors are protected with the paint protection film. Then we are doing a ceramic coating on it as well. Caleb took the wheels off to the inside barrel of the wheels and the brake calipers, and then we also did an interior ceramic coating on it. It has cloth seats, so just to protect it a little better and help from staining. Got the ceramic on there to keep it protected and looking good. Then behind the Equinox is the Subaru. The Subaru, we just did paint protection film on the front bumper and then ceramic coated everything to get that ready, and we're actually calling the customer today to tell him he's ready for pickup. Then over in the tint bay, I had one of these. They were the greatest car I had. It was such a good car on gas, and the turbo was fun. A Volkswagen Beetle. This came in to get the windows stripped and then re-tinted with our new ceramic tint, so it keeps the interior a little bit cooler and the customer looking great. Coming outside, we have this new Jeep Cherokee that came in to get 5% all the way around ceramic film. Then beside it is Lexus that we're actually stripping all the tint off of it. I guess it was some old tint on it that was changing colors. The customer didn't like it, so he brought it in for us to strip the old tint off of it, and we're doing our Prime XR on that all the way around. Same as the Charger, this was a customer's car in Florida. The back window was bubbling really bad, so he brought it in. We're stripping the back window and replacing it with our Prime XR ceramic tint. Then in the middle here is this big Dodge Ram. This guy's getting the works as well. We tinted it last week, and then he brought it back to us. We're doing a full 10 mil wrap paint protection film on it, and then buttoning up with a ceramic coating as well. And then Aaron found out it was what's in the shop Wednesday, so he decided to let the ZL1 stretch his legs and bless our parking lot with its presence. And then we got Max out here working on this Toyota Tundra. He just finished it. He brought it outside to check it out in the sun, make sure everything looks good, popping any bubbles you may see, and make sure it's ready to go back to the customer. Beside that is a GMC Acadia that was in here earlier this morning. That just got the front 2 windows to match the back. And then our good friend Ed Barbish brought his Dodge Ram in for tint on the front windshield, a visor, and the 2 front windows to match the back. Let's go check out what's going on at Gibsonia. What's going on, Luke?
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop.
In the showroom is a brand new Porsche Cayenne. This one was in for full front paint protection film, a full paint polish, and a 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up was a 2024 Ford F-150. This vehicle also got a full front paint protection film. We did our wear and tear package on the 2 front doors and tinted the 2 front windows to match the factory tint. Next up, we got Mark doing his thing on this 2022 Jeep Wrangler. We coated this vehicle about 2 years ago. Had some warranty work done with the paints and bubbling up, so it's back in the shop after the body work was complete to have the hinges, the hood, and the back passenger door to be recoated. In the tint bay, looks like the guys just wrapped up this Ford Transit. This is getting 35% on the front windows and the back doors. And next up, we got Ian doing this thing on this Honda Odyssey. We're doing a net 5% tint on the back section, along with 15% fronts and a 5% visor. In the back, we got the PPF crew working on this brand new CX-5. This is getting our full front paint protection film, a wear and tear package, 2 front windows to match the factory tint, and a polish and 4-year ceramic coating. Next up, we got Jason pulling inside a 2023 Subaru WRX. This was done fully ceramic coated this time last year, and it's back in the shop now for its wash and annual maintenance checkup. Outside's a brand new Z06. We did this vehicle about 2 weeks ago, so it's back in for a wash and its 2-week checkup. Next up was another Transit for the same company, getting the exact same thing. We're doing 35% on the 2 front windows and the 2 back doors. Next up for some paint protection film is this brand new Ford Raptor. This is getting full frontal paint protection film.
That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you guys next week.